Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial we're gonna look at how to connect social links on Reddit. Now let's begin. Initially log into your Reddit account if you already have not. Well, once you've logged in, you will be shown something like this, that is the home page. Now we need to go to our user settings. On the rightmost corner of the navbar you will find your username. Simply click on it. Well, there are lots of options available here, but for now we just need to go to user settings. Initially we will be in the account tab. There are lots of functions here that you can use, but for now let's go to profile. If you scroll down, you can see something like social links. 5 is the maximum amount of social links that you can input. Let's try to add some social links right now. Let's just click on this button. I have a YouTube channel, so let's try YouTube. I'm gonna enter the URL and the display text. Once everything is okay, simply click on save. I'm gonna try to add another social link of my Facebook. And once everything is done, simply click on save. You can add up to 5 social links max. Now adding other social links, it's up to you. This much is okay for me. Now let us just visit our profile once again. And as you can see, our social links have been added here successfully. Well guys, that's it for the video. This is how you add social links to your Reddit account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.